already know, Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today we have the Yeezy Boost 380 in the Mist colorway, so let's get to it. You already know what the deal is. So, here's what you see opening the box. The Boost, of course, the sizing, and then you already know, made by Adidas. So, I'll move this Elmo real quick. Alright. Alright, so here is the shoe. Oh wow. Just looks like a big sock. Everybody loves Boost. I don't know if y'all do, but I do. Okay, so these shoes actually released back in March and they had a restock recently, so you know, how to cop it real quick just to make a video and show you guys. And by the looks of it, it's a little ugly, not gonna lie. I most likely will be selling these, but I'll show you guys the close-up shots. So it's gonna be a quick little video and I'll have an on fade at the end of the video. So if you come this far, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the Yeezy Boost 380 Blue O's that just recently came out, and I'll be making a video on that soon. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.